welcome back to physics class. Today we are going to discuss electric potential. Electric potential. So in electric potential, very important 2 points is there. First point, electric potential is a characteristics property at a point in a region of electric field. So this is the first point. Now second point, it is the interaction energy of a unit positive charge placed at the point in electric field. Point in electric field. Let us consider small electric field region. Let us consider this is the electric field region. Here the point P. So here another point. This test charge. Here the charge test charge. This one is the test charge. So test charge Q naught. At point P, here the one Q. Here the charge is the Q. This charge Q naught brought to point P. Brought to point P like this. Point P. Here the work done is done bringing to the infinity to the location of at point P. Location at point P will be interaction energy U. Will be interaction energy U. Here the charge is Q. Here the test charge is Q naught. Interaction energy is equal to Q naught divided by R. Q divided by R. Here if interaction energy of Q naught at point P, here the bringing Q naught at point P is U, then electric potential at point P is defined as capital V is nothing but electric potential U upon Q naught. U is nothing but Q naught divided by R whole divided by Q naught. Q naught get cancelled. Electric potential is equal to KQ by R. This formula very important. According to this one, very important. Another statement already we know in the previous classes are 10th standard like that. So in electric field region. So in electric field, this region, electric potential at a point is defined as the work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to that point P in electric field region. Next, application of electric potential. So first application, electric potential due to a point charge in its surrounding. Let us consider one charge here the positive charge. So this is the point P. Here the test charge is Q naught. Here the interaction energy Q naught at point P. Interaction energy Q naught at point P, U is equal to Q naught by this distance. Let us consider smaller. Here the potential at point P, potential at point P, according to statement V is equal to U upon Q naught. So U is nothing but Q naught divided by R whole divided by Q naught get cancelled. So KQ by R. So potential at point P is equal to KQ by R. Now second application, electric potential due to a charged extended body. Charged extended body. Let us consider this is a extended body or extended body. Here the inside the charge is there. So let us consider this the point P. This is the point P. This is the point P. If point P electric potential due to elemental charge dq. Let us consider this is a small elemental charge. This charge is the dq charge. dq charge. This elemental charge dq to the point P, this distance is a small r. This distance is small r. Here the small elemental charge produces some electric potential. That electric potential, small elemental charge produces small elemental potential. That potential dv is equal to k into dq divided by r. dq divided by r. If we want total electric potential total electric potential, V is equal to integral dV. So V is equal to integral dV is equal to, so the integral of k dq by r. So if you integrate, we will get the total electric potential due to charged extended body. This formula very important while doing numerical problems. Next, another application, electric potential due to a uniformly charged rod on its axis. Let us consider one uniformly rod. This uniform rod length, I would like to consider L. Here the axial line. So here the positive charges. Point P, this is point P. So point one end of the rod position A, another end of the rod position B. B to point P, this distance is a smaller. So rod uniformly charge, total charge capital Q. There is a total charge capital Q. Here small element. Let us consider small element. This small element charge dq. This small element dx. Charge on element dx. dq is equal to total charge by rod, total rod length into elemental length dx. Elemental length dx. If d2 charge dq potential at point P. If charge dq potential at point P is dV. So dV is equal to k dq by, here this distance from small element to the point P distance, let us consider x. So here the x. So here if you want total electric potential, total electric potential, total electric potential, V is equal to integral dV is equal to integral of k dq by x. Integral limits one end rod at point P to the one end of the rod R. So one point P to the another end of the rod R plus L. So total limits R is equal R to R plus L. So V is equal to integral of R plus L k in by x into q by l into dx. K cube by L constant, you may write out of the integral. V is equal to K cube by L integral dx by x r to r plus L. Integral dx by x is nothing but log x. You may remember that formula, integration formula. Integral dx by x nothing but log x. So V is equal to K cube by L into log of x r to r plus L, higher limit minus lower limit. So V is equal to K cube by L into log of r plus L minus log of r. So here log A minus log B nothing but log A by B formula. So log A minus log B. This total term we consider A. This one is the B. Log A minus log B nothing but log A by B. Potential V is equal to K cube by small l capital L into log of r plus L divided by r. This is the electric potential due to a uniformly charged rod on its axis. Another application, electric potential due to a uniformly charged rod on its equator. Previously already we discussed axial line. So now let us consider this one is the one rod, uniformly rod. This uniform rod total charge, I would like to consider capital Q. So this uniformly charged rod length L by 2 L. So this axis passing through the perpendicular to the rod. This axis is called the equator. So here let's come, this is the point P. Here to here this distance is small r. Let us consider small element. This is a dx. Here the charge dq. Charge on element dx dq is equal to total charge by L into total length into elemental length. So let us draw this line. This one look like here to here this distance is x. This one look like a triangle. Now this distance r square plus x square. R square plus f is x square. R square plus x square. Potential at point P dq. Potential at point P dq. So here the dv is equal to k dq by x nothing but r square plus distance nothing but under root of r square plus x square. Total electric potential V is equal to integral dv is equal to integral of k dq by under root of x square plus r square. Limits, this half is L by 2 and remaining this one also half is also L by 2. This is a positive L by 2, this is a negative L by 2. Negative L by 2 to positive L by 2. Limits, let us consider x is equal to r tan theta, dx is equal to r second square theta dt. These two values substitute here, we will get the value electric potential is equal to integral minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 k into q by L into dx divided by under root of r square plus x square. Substitute these values, substitute here, these two values substitute here. So potential V is equal to integral minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 k q by L into dx nothing but r second square theta d theta divided by under root of r square plus r square tan square theta. So Here take out r square common. Here take out r square common. Root r square we may write out of the root r. 1 plus tan square theta nothing but secant square theta and sec theta. This sec theta, one sec theta get cancelled. So potential V is equal to integral minus L by 2 plus L by 2 KQ by L into R secant square theta d theta divided by R into sec theta. One sec theta get cancelled, R also cancel. Remaining value potential V is equal to KQ by L into integral minus L by 2 to plus L by 2 secant theta d theta. Integral secant theta d theta nothing but log of sec theta plus tan theta. V is equal to KQ by L into log of sec theta plus tan theta. Here limits minus L by 2 to plus L by 2. So from this diagram tan theta is equal to opposite x divided by adjacent x divided by r, and secant theta is equal to, so hypotenuse root of r square plus x square divided by r divided by r. These two values substitute there. So V is equal to KQ by L log of under root of r square plus x square by r plus x by r plus x by r. So take out LCM and substitute higher limits and lower limits. So V is equal to, I am going to draw directly, you may simplify L into log of L plus 4 r square under root plus L divided by under root of L plus 4 r square minus L. After substituting limits, we will get the potential V is equal to KQ by L log of root L square plus 4r square plus 4r square plus L divided by under root of L plus 4r square minus L.